Checking out another install we just finished. Somebody forgot zip ties on 60,000. I like this flexible B vent here. I think this bottom floor was 7 or 8 runs. We did all the duct. So I return here, supply here. Not too bad. Kitchen, stack head, ain't fire stop yet. Supplying the dining. Let's return. It's a larger room, should have 2 heats. Den, library, whatever that room is, it's a heat. Should have a stack head in the bathroom somewhere. There, 2 beds. Yeah, heat and a heat. Another one down.